bestie. Today I got this for you.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
So Betty Cora sent me these beautiful press-ons, and those are Christmassy because they sent it to me during Christmas. But look at that. Oh my goodness. And this is some gnome ones. Yeah, those are cute. And these ones are a very chic and elegant set that I've worn already. And this is another one that I've worn already. And this I haven't worn already, but you'll see them in the future. And these ones, these are so pretty and elegant, and they are in matte finish, and this is what they look like. But today we're doing this. You can use code BDYNailist for 20% off for all these presents across the site. You can use it anytime you want on anything you want. And let's unbox this. So here are the instructions, and this is my gem of the whole order. This is the gem. They're handmade press-on nails that cost $8.99. Under $9, and you get these beautiful nails. They're so sturdy. You'll see the whole process of how I put them on and how I prep my nails before that. But yeah, they're amazing. That's a spoiler. Here are the instructions, and here is the little prepping pads and the orange stick. I'm pushing back the cuticles. I decided to leave this in real time because why not? After this, you can take either a new buffer or an actual nail file of 180 preferably, and just roughen up your nail surface to give it some grip. And after that, you will take one of these prep pads. I believe they are just dipped in alcohol or something like that. That dehydrates your whole nail bed. Make sure you're thorough with this. And the pack comes with nail glue that's pink, very sweet, but also with some of these stickers that you put on your nail bed. And I found out that this worked great, and they're very easy to remove whenever you want to remove them. So we're going with that. You're measuring the size of your nail bed and just placing the right one right where your nail's starting. Make sure the sticker is not bigger than your actual nail bed, because this is going to result in lifting. Make sure you press everything very well. And those stickers have some cuts, so they just literally hug your nail bed so well. I've worn all the previous sets with this method, and they lasted for a good week before I had to take them off to do another design for the channel. And the moment of truth, I chose this in size small, I believe. They have sizes because they are handmade. So this is why they come with only 10. They give you the sizes and you choose which one fits your nails. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. I have to say that these were so sturdy and they looked so high quality that I was amazed. I was amazed. Make sure they're straight and then you can press them on. They are ready. And just like that, we reached the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the process of putting on some press-ons. Nice and easy. And the result, let me know. What do you think of the result? I really like them. And here are some close-ups. Don't forget that you can use code BDY Nailist with a 4 for 20% off. And enjoy your new press-ons, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please be nice enough to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah!
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than